Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, in this moment, I will explain about the simulator interactive for education. The link is phet.colorado.edu. You can search this in your browser, in your smartphone or your computer. Phet.colorado.edu. This application available in another language, English, and another language, Indonesia. Okay, but now I will explain in English. At first, I will click simulation. After this, I will click all simulation. Okay, maybe we need the speed of internet must good, because this application or this website need your bandwidth with good bandwidth, not super, but enough to access this animation. Okay, in this animation there is 91 results. Subject start from physics, chemistry, math, earth science, and biology. Okay, I will explain about one of example of this animation. I will explain about the physics, and I will explain about this is energy skate park basic. Okay, and I will click this title. Okay, this is animation of simulation of mechanical energy with the application in energy skate park. For the topic is conversion of energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, energy and friction. Okay, the one of sample learning goals explain the explain the conservation of mechanical energy concept using kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. Second, describe how the energy bar and pie chart relate the position and speed. Okay, we will learn about two learning goals for this meeting. Okay, and next we must click this sign. Okay, maybe need several minutes or several seconds, because maybe my internet is not good, because the weather is good. We can use this animation with laptop or smartphone. Okay, intro, friction, and playground. I will use playground because with playground we can make the path free path, all we need, all we want. Okay, the first I will make this simple path of skateboard, just 3 points. Okay, and in the right side there is pie charts, bar graph to show about the condition of energy. Grid, the grid is show about the measurement about the height of position, and speed so about the velocity the object. in mass, we can variety about mass large or small. Large or small. In the friction, we can variety about the friction in the pads, known or lots. Okay. Now I will start. I pick the person to the top of point and I take this. Now the person move. Okay, I will give slow motion to know about the potential energy and kinetic energy from the top point until the bottom point. Okay, we can pause. Okay, I repeat again with slow motion. Okay, from the top point, the energy is the top of energy is potential energy, and the total energy is same with the potential energy. So from this animation, we know that the total energy or mechanical energy is same with the potential energy, because in the top point there is no velocity or there is no speed from the person. But if the person move, the kinetic energy will increase, but the potential energy will decrease, because if the position of person is to the low point, the speed of person is increased, so it will make the energy kinetic or kinetic energy will increase. But the position of person is low, so the potential energy is decreased, but the total energy constant. Yeah, because energy is constant, but distribution of energy in kinetic energy, potential energy, and thermal energy is different in every point. Okay, I will make another path. Okay, how about this? Oh, there is no enough energy, so I will repeat again. I will change the potential or change the point. Okay, I will start again. Excuse me, I will show both part per graph, grid, and pie chart or split pie chart. No, play. Okay, slow motion. Look carefully the moving of person, and you must analyze about the position and the graph of energy kinetic and energy potential and energy total. Okay, from this video or from this animation, we can learn more about the conversion energy from the potential energy to kinetic energy, and the constant of energy is mechanical energy, because mechanical energy is same with the total of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.